Puzzmo.
Are you ready?
I've been doing it on. They've got so many new games. Ribbit being one. That's very good. This is just Strands with more interesting UI. So you're trying to connect letters, and they've got these little things that connect each other, but you have to find the words within the connections. So you could do like soda, and you could do like a lot of J's here. Reject. We could do sect. Yeah, okay. Joda. Joda Pickett Smith, of the Pickett Smith variety. How about driver? The nice thing about this is when you get driver, it also gives you drive. Do you see over in the dedicated section? You do need to use at least 4 letters for this to function. Dos. Is Jose a word? Oh, okay. Joe's is a word apparently. Geode. Adoos. Much adoos about nothing. Trite. Is triter a word? Yeah, I guess it is. Oh, eject? Did we already get that? No, we didn't. Excellent. 1G down. Excellent. When you finish all the words on a letter, it turns into a frog. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? Everyone say, yes, that's very fun, Ty. Latte. Did I do does already? It's very fun. Thank you. Adjective. Got it. We got the big word, everyone. Look, it got a little blue line on it, and everyone's proud of me. Secretive. Whoa. Oh, it's one off. We can just do secret, I guess. Ooh, a lot of frogs. A lot of frogs on that one. Ivermectin? Oh, river's a word, though. No frog on that? You gotta be joking. I would expect the V to be, at least. Rivet. That's the frog that I was looking for. Ladder. Ladder is a word? I don't think so. Eater. Oh, right. All right, so you may say, ooh, I'm done. You've done the frogs. Congratulations, you're done. Wrong. All right, there is a sub-goal, a secret mission in Ribbit where you click the frogs and they pop. And then it's like a little bit of a pop-it fun treat. And then if you end up with no frogs, I got bad luck this time. I didn't get no frogs. You get a frog frenzy, and then you get to click frogs infinitely, and it's great. Anyways, that's a Puzzmo game that has opened up since we last played Puzzmo, and I just thought it was worth showing off to all you, my beautiful streaming companions. Don't click the poker. We love the poker, but we try and leave it alone. Try and be nice to the poker. All right, so Pilot Poker, you remember this as a